Hi, this is Billy from Glenn's Quality Cars, and this is our 2009 Holden Commodore SSV manual wagon. This car has the Pontiac G8 front end, which was a sort of a leftover parts run after the Pontiac, they stopped sending them to the US. So there are a couple left over here, and they came out as a dealer package, which wasn't cheap. There's not too many around, especially in a manual V8 wagon. Got SSW wheels in excellent condition, no peeling on the chrome or anything like that. Good tyres all around. Body on the car is very straight. I believe they're a staggered fit as well, so you've got wider tyres on the rear than you do on the front. Really nice looking wheel. We've also got a tow bar, and I believe that's a Xforce Exhaust system. So 6-speed manual, SSV, so it's got the upgraded interior. You've got a dual zone climate control over the SS, which just has single zone. You've got a couple of digital gauges up there as well for oil pressure, oil temperature and battery voltage. Steering wheel controls, cruise control as well, and auto headlights, as well as sports pedals and factory SS floor mats. Cars available at Glenn's Quality Cars. Contact us at 4577 6133. Thanks for watching.